Yo, what's up YouTube? I am here and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make okay photoshops. Not great. Like for example, this is a basic one. A very basic one. I just added a text thing and a weed symbol. Um shit. But it's not really Photoshop. I'm using a cheap photo editor, Pixlr or whatever it's called. This is one of my favorites. Donald Trump pointing down to the James Bond gun barrel. Um, but I'm gonna be showing y'all a simple but effective. God, this sounds so fucking retarded. Okay, we're just gonna pull up a random picture and we're gonna edit it. Okay. Okay, let's just do like a random one. Because this one right here obviously photoshopped. I'm just letting you guys know I'm not great at it. This is a skill that I'm still trying to perform. Um Perfect right here. I almost went by it. Um right click. We're gonna be saving the image. Random one. Then we're gonna go up here. Create new. Whatever one you want. Then file, open image. And then it's gonna be the very top one. They're gonna be Ultra HD because Ultra sounds nice. And oh, there we go. And you can see here we got our image. And it is beautiful. Now we're just going to do a person walking away. Then we're going to pick a white background. All white background because it is easier to cut off. Stuff on the bottom you can just shiz. There we go. Save. We're gonna add it up here. Image, very top one. No, I don't want to get premium because I'm doing this on a budget. Scissors, the magic. Remove. Boom, that's all gone. Oh, well. Looks like we're gonna be dealing with a ghost. Oh, fuck. Yeah, we're gonna be dealing with a ghost. We're gonna be doing lasso technique now to get rid of this. Oh, remember, you're going to be wanting to have it on the one that you picked, not the background. So if I did it on the background, if I did this, boom, that's gone. Now we're going to put it wherever I want. You know what? I can't just keep it like this. I gotta cut it out. Scissors. Then you just want to trace the body. Who wears pink shoes? Comment in the video down below if you wear pink shoes. Shit, I fucked up right there. Boom. Just like that, you got a okay picture of a dude that you don't know walking. Oh shit, what the fuck was that? That's it. We're just gonna do this. Oh no. Oh shit. What the fuck happened? I forgot to put the remove. Simple little tiny touch-ups. And then I think the bottom part's already moved. Yeah, it's already removed. Now I'm gonna back all the way out. Boom. And that's how you Photoshop something. Now I want to do something with the background. I have no idea, to be honest. Now, I know one thing though. We're gonna be blurring it out. We're not blurring. I have freaking no idea. Make sure to like this video or do whatever the frick you want. I don't care because I am doing this just for fun. 200. Make it look like it just got mowed. Voila, you're all done, and now you can declare that you had sex. Okay. Have a nice time, guys. Then that's how I stop.